Well, she got mad at me and I never spoke to her again. I said some things I really wish I could take back. All the good she did for people and she died on the bus. Oh, she was good to everybody. She died on the bus alone. Where have you been? Looking for Mama Marie. I have something to tell you. What is it? My mother died. What? Why are you lying? You will say anything just to get rid of us, huh? Jennifer. If you don't want us here, fine, we'll go. You don't have to say all that. You will say anything. Can I go feedback? Yeah.
Jennifer. Yeah. You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. People die, so what?
Listen, it's okay to cry. You'll be upset.
I said I'm fine, okay?
What you doing sitting out here? Trying to steal something? How'd you?
Grandmother died.
Oh, sorry to hear that.
Dad ate and sent us back to foster care. They gave me records.
Grandma.
I'm on million firing God. We separate. I don't know. I don't know what I'm supposed to do.
Oh, you step down. Calm down. Get our worked up. Calm
Can
down.
we stay with you?
Huh?
Nobody wants us.
That ain't true.